Hello, today I will show you how to print a Lipu Tenpo. Click here on Lipu Tenpo, then you have two versions, Tawa Ilusitelen and Pimiawalo Tawa Ilusitelen. Ilusitelen is the printer. These both are the printer versions. I, for example, want to print it in color. I open it in a new tab and have this here. So first, please check if it's formatted correctly. It may happen maybe when you see this shortly after the release of a new issue, that there are some mistakes. Then you can go to print. You choose your printer, you want to print all pages, and you have to set it in color. Then here you click on beidseitig, this means on both sides, print on both sides. And then here you have mirror on the short side, this is important. Then you you just print. The other possibility for a later issue maybe is that the file looks like this. Then you also go print and change the pages per paper. And you have to change it to 2 and then press on print. Then we take it out and you see it is already in the correct position. Okay, now we take our paper, we fold it in the middle like you see in the video, and then we take our stapler or some other way to connect it and we try to staple it in the middle. So that's it.